Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Adam in Florida on this RCI X9 by Ranger. Adam, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. I believe I got my monitor radio here. I need to mute. So we can get that feedback because I always check everything through the monitor radio very last after setting everything up. Adam, 50 watt slug. That's a 1.5 watts all the way down because you wanted to make sure you had enough adjustability with your 4-pill. 20 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 1, 2, audio. 50 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 155. So roll it all the way down. Show you PEP watts with it all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, audio. Audio 1, 2. Still about 155. Alright, Adam, it's ready to come to the Sunshine State. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.